Alright guys, what's going on? It's Brett again with Brett's Mobile Wash and Wax. I'm here working with Republic Car Club on the 2006 BMW 7 Series Daily Driver. Today we're going to be focusing on the carpets. I took them out of the car. First thing you always want to do is just vacuum to get any residual dirt, anything that's on the surface up. And I'll go ahead and do that now. Depending on how dirty the carpet is, you can either choose to take a rough bristle nylon brush and kind of agitate it, get any second, maybe a little bit deeper surface dirt off. This doesn't look too bad, but I'll vacuum it again just in case. Alright guys, so once we're done vacuuming and we're happy with the results, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray it with an all-purpose cleaner. Again, I'm going to be using Super Clean. Like I said in the last video, it doesn't cost me a lot of money, it's very available, and it gives me great results every time. If you have McGuire's all-purpose cleaner or something similar, Griot's Garage makes one, they all kind of do the same thing. I just happen to get really good results from this one, and it doesn't cost me a lot of money. So what you want to do is liberally spray your all-purpose cleaner all across the carpet. You want to saturate it, you don't want it soaking, you want to make sure there's enough on there to have an effect. You're then going to take the same interior brush you used last time, any soft nylon bristle brush. You got this from Walmart for like $3. When you go in, you want to agitate in both directions. So I'm going to go once, up, now you go the other direction. Once you're done scrubbing, then you clean microfiber and just mop up. And you can just see what's coming off this mat after years and years not being cleaned. And you see this towel is absolutely filthy, and that's just from one mat. And this mat, you know, after what did that take me, 5 minutes, looks 10 times better. There's no stains, it's all the same color. You can brush it out, have all the fibers in the same direction. It's gonna look, you know, almost as good as new. So the mat was actually so dirty that I decided I'm going to go ahead and do it, you know, one more time. Things like that, it's not, you know, one-stop shop. You can do it 2, 3, 4 times until it's clean. Some things may require only 1 cleaning. Some things may require 3 or 4. Again, bristles in both directions. And then go ahead and mop up. Alright guys, so as you can see, you know, using a couple products, Super Clean, diluted 5-to-1, a really inexpensive nylon bristle brush, and then any shop vac will do. This just happens to be a rigid 4-gallon portable vacuum. I like it a lot. Any shop vacs will really do the same thing, any vacuum, any drive-through, and you can get really, really incredible results. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. Make sure to check back. We're going to be doing a lot more interior, exterior, paint correction, detailing videos for Republic Car Club, and especially for this 7 Series. Thanks for watching.